Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and we've got a new box for you. We've never tried this one before, or want to see what it is? Mickey Loot. So one of you guys told me about this box, and so we ordered one to give it a shot. They have a lot of different options, ranging from A ticket to E ticket, just like Disney's rides used to be ticketed that way. We opted for a B ticket, which is $75 and free shipping. And we're going to dive into that. That's coming up right now. Alright, so let's dive into this. I pre-cut it so you didn't have to worry about me slicing a digit off. These boxes open a little different though. Got it. Ready for Mickey Loot? Alright. First things first is a little postcard with a note on the back. I will put the front on there, boop, so you can check it out. So it looks like the Fab Five, and they have each signed it. It's a very cute postcard, and we'll probably frame this one. So this is actually a Disney Cruise Line postcard. You can see the portholes behind them. Very nice. And on the back it says, boop, Christian, we are really excited to welcome you to Mickey Loot. Hope that you have a magical day and that you enjoy unboxing this as much as we enjoyed selecting these items for you. Mickey Loot. Cool. Alright, then we have a caution, spoiler alert. So we will set that off to the side. And then we've got some tissue paper with a Mickey Loot sticker. And confetti. This is like a kind of like recycled brown confetti. I haven't seen that yet. That's cool. Let's see how it flies, shall we? Oh, not bad. Getting some good range out of it. I dig it. Oh, everything's like individually wrapped in here too. That's cool. Alright, so first things first. We have got some Donald's Creepy and Quacky Halloween Candy Company Kooky Confections. So this is Disney Parks. 8 servings per container. Come on, man, 8? That's 1. So this is $6.99 from the parks. And just a heads up, I don't know how long this stuff usually lasts, but the expiration date is January 30th, 2021, so we still have a couple months on it. So I'm assuming that this is from this year, and it looks really good inside the package. I don't know if you check that out. So yeah, so I think that they just went and got this. I have no idea generally how long their popcorn lasts. I don't know if it's months or years. I have no clue. If you know, please comment down below, because I'm curious about that. I don't know if it, it holds for a year and a half or if it holds for 4 months. I have no idea. But glad to have it, and 8 servings. Alright. Let's see here. So everything is wrapped in tissue paper. Let's see what the first mystery item is. Oh, Mary's excited. So we've got well, I'm not going to put the package on there because I'm about to open it, so I'll just hold it up for you. Villains comic book pins. 10 pin collection. Each box contains 2 randomly selected pins. So, let's see what we got. Alright, pin number 1. First one is Queen of Hearts. Off with her head! It's kind of mean-spirited, but you know. I'll put a better picture in the photo box. Boop! It's a nice big pin, too. Very cool. Alright. Bachelorette number 2. Oh, Bachelor number 2, not Bachelorette. We got Hades. And it says, my favorite part of the game, sudden death. Wow, they really are evil. Put a better picture in the photo box. Boop! I hope that the wind isn't getting picked up by the microphone, but the wind just got crazy outside. Sounds like a hurricane, but I doubt it because we're in Nevada. But it's windy. Alright, see what this one we have here is. Well, this is really cool to have. I didn't know how this box was going to go. I really haven't heard any talk about it a whole lot. I think it's fairly new. But this is a Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway pin, which, as you know, the ride just opened. So this is very relevant. That's really cool. It's silver. If I remember right, silver is $9.99, but I will double check in the spoiler sheet. But let me throw that in the photo box so you can check this bad boy out. Boop! I am thrilled to have that pin. And Mary's thrilled to have the other two, so things are going really well. And you can't go wrong with popcorn. Cool. Alright, so this is definitely a mug, which we are very short-handed on. I still don't ever put it as a no in my preferences because I like mugs. And like, honestly, if I come across one that is super better than another and we just run out of room, we'll just sell them or something because, I don't know, I like mugs. Check it out. I really like this mug too. And it's tough to get us mugs. I mean, honestly, we have 50 or 60 mugs, at least. So to get one that I don't have is awesome. So it says authentic 1955 Disneyland, the original. It has Mickey on it. And on the back it says authentic 55 Disneyland. And it's a good size. I really like it. I'm going to be using this one in the morning, I guarantee you that. Let me throw it in a photo box so you can check it out. Boop.
Dinner's ready.
We're having lasagna. Anybody interested? It's a pretty big one. Moving on. Alright, looks like one last thing in here. And it's big. Some confetti on it. So they really wrap these very nicely too. Let's see what this is. Check this out. So the way this was wrapped up was really nice. It had 1/4-inch foam core board on both sides of it, and it was taped up, and it said, "Don't cut, pull tabs." So they took the time to really protect it and make sure that they protected it from me as well. But this is awesome. So it's Haunted Mansion based, and one of the headstones is Madame Leota. If you follow us on like Facebook or Instagram, you might know that we just picked up a 46 Ford sedan that is purple, and we named it Leota, and the license plates are going to be Leota. We already ordered it. So, everybody, I mean, we love Haunted Mansion, so this is really cool. It's kind of hard to get it without glare on it, so I will put a picture of it in the photo box right there. Really cool. So we will definitely frame this. We just... you know, we always say, hey, we're going to frame it, and we had everything kind of building up, so we finally made a big order of frames, and we just framed everything that we had, but we will order one for that. And then it also came with this, it talks about the artist, and they always have these tucked on the back of them, so I'll put a picture of this up so you can check it out. Boop. So... Will Gay is a painter, illustrator, and graphic designer growing up in a small town of Ocean Springs, Mississippi. Will used to keep himself entertained with drawing and Disney animated movies. I can't talk ever. From an early age. He became captivated by the storytelling and drawing of Walt Disney and the great animators of the past like the 9 Old Men, and studied every Disney art book he could get his hands on as well. As creative director at Disney's Yellow Shoes, Will is tasked daily with leading a talented team of art directors, copywriters, and designers in the field of advertising. His latest paintings are realized in the evenings at his home studio. Will is influenced by a combination of pop culture, street art, graphic design, and skateboarding. Since his debut at the Festival of the Masters in 2009, he has continued to interpret his favorite iconic characters, like Mickey Mouse and others, in new and intriguing ways in his signature style. And you can definitely see that it's definitely not a Walt style, but I like the style of it, and we will definitely hang that up. Alright, I am really pleasantly surprised. I didn't know, you just never know how these are going to go. New boxes seem to be about 50-50 on whether or not we like them. And so it's nice to find one that we will try again. Because, you can only do so many videos of things you don't like without getting bored. So, the spoiler sheet I will throw up on the screen for you. Boop. So, Mickey's Halloween Popcorn, $6.99. Authentic Disneyland 1955 mug, $19.99. Villains Comic Book Pins Blind Box, $15.99, and Mickey's Runaway Railway Pin, I was right, was $9.99. Mickey's Haunted Mansion Print, $29 for a total of $81.96. So that's in the positive, $75 in free shipping, so that's a little bit in the positive, which I can't complain about. So, I'm a happy guy. Mickey Loot. Who knew? Alright. I think that's all I've got for you today. If you don't forget to take a look at the giveaway video if you haven't yet, because that giveaway is still going on right now. And if you would like those Minnie Mouse Main Attraction Dumbo ears, they're still up for grabs. So find that video, and the end date for that is September 22nd. So our last video is right here. You can go down in our other videos to find that giveaway video. But if you'd like to check out the last video, it's right here. And if you'd like to subscribe to our channel, we'd really appreciate it. Click the button right here. I hope you're having a great day.